Hello, Thamar. I am working on my progress report for the British Council, and as you can see, this is part two. Okay, so part two is where we start. Part two overview and the following units. No, so as you can see, this is module completion, participation in forum, and live session. Okay. So in module completion, I don't have you as completing module 1, module 2, module 3, or the module from last week. So that we finished on Tuesday, sorry. Okay. So let me explain why. So here I'm logged in as you into the course. Okay. So if we look, so in my report, here is part 2 overview. So this would be module 1 in the report, module 2 in the report, module 3 in the report, and module 4. Okay. So why in the report do I have, for example, module 1 as not completed? Because here I show a score of below 70 and not 100% complete. Okay. Same thing here. Score is fine, but it's not completed. Okay. Same thing here. Score is fine, but the module is not completed. And of course, you need to here not completed, and these 2 units need to be completed. Okay. So I need for you to try to catch up this week, please. We're halfway through part 2. And as you can see, there are several other modules that are the same. Okay. In my experience, the ideal school, any questions? Now see, these are good. Okay. Very good here. Okay. All of these are good. But you need to make sure for me to report to the British Council that you have been completing modules. These have to be in 100% and the score has got to be above 70. Okay? So please do your best this week to try to catch up. Okay? Thank you.